Watch this video and learn how to draw a yummy ice cream. Later in the show, Artie and Bunny have a dance break. And watch to the end because Louie's going to read some poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie.
Oh, hello, little artist. Oh,
Artie, you know how much you love ice cream?
yes.
Should we draw an ice cream?
Oh, Artie would really love that. Yes, please. Oh, great. Oh,
I'm Mikey Marker.
And I'm Betty Brush.
Welcome to Artie's show.
oh, that's going to be fun.
Do you have your marker pens?
Yeah, I've got my markers.
And your paper?
Yeah, I've got my paper.
Should we start then?
Yeah, let's begin.
Okay.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start.
Let's give our ice cream some eyes. So we'll start by drawing one eye towards the top of the page in the middle. A nice, fairly large circle. That looks like your basketball, Artie.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Artie loves to play basketball. Well, that's it, Artie. Draw a little circle inside the eyeball and shade it in black.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. Now let's draw the right eye. Make it look like it's a little bit behind the first one. That's it, Artie.
Artie, your art is so amazing.
Well, thank you, Barry. It's always nice to hear from you. Oh, yes, Artie, that's right. Put in the second pupil in the right eye. Oh, good idea as well. Some eyebrows. One on the left and one on the right.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
Now let's draw a big smiley mouth. A big curve just underneath the eyes. And why not add a tongue?
oh, let's have a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah,
But why are we whispering?
please.
Okay.
Dance break! Yay! Woohoo!
Betty, do you want to dance with me?
Watching Artie dance makes me so happy.
That quite tickled me, frankly. I have to give it a 10.
Yay! That was a really fun dance break.
It was. You and Bunny did great.
Artie tired. Whew. Phew.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Let's add the underside of the mouth, another curve just underneath the top one, and then shade those two triangles in black so it looks like his mouth is open and he's sticking out his tongue. We'll have to colour that tongue in pink later on, Artie. Coming up, Louie's going to read some of his poetry. Now let's give our ice cream a face. We're going to draw a sort of cheek on the left side and a cheek on the right side. That's it, Artie. And then underneath, let's draw sort of drips, as if the ice cream is melting and he's got a drippy chin. Good job, Artie. It seems that you're really enjoying this drawing, probably because it's an ice cream.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself.
Oh, good. I'm so happy. Good job on the drippy chin, Artie. Let's draw some more ice cream just above the eyes. Do a nice wavy shape so it looks like soft serve ice cream. That's my favourite. Yum yum.
You know, I always say if it's not broken, don't fix... Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely little poem about one of my favourite things, ice cream. Oh, here we go. My ice cream is melting this hot, sunny day. I'm licking it quick, but it's dribbling away. My ice cream is melting. It's starting to drip. It's all over my fingers, my chin, and my lip. My ice cream is melting. I can't make it stop. It's hitting the ground with a splish, splash, plop. Oh, that was a good one. That's delightful.
Thank you, Louie. That was wonderful. Okay, Artie, let's draw a little bit more ice cream on the top. This is almost going to look like our ice cream's hair. Let's start the cone. On the right side, draw a straight line down with a little hook on the end. Same on the left. And then connect the two with a gently curving line all the way across. Perfect.
That's pretty cool.
Now let's do the same again just below. So a straight line down with a little hook on the end. Now one on the right. And again, let's connect the two together with a gently curving line all the way across. Perfect, Artie. Well, I think you're done. What do you think?
I finished!
I thought so. It looks yummy.
Yeah.
Now what?
It's coloring time.
It sure needs some color.
Artie's finished.
Fantastic work, Artie.
Yeah.
It really came out good, didn't it?
Good.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
It's good enough to eat.
No. Wow.
You must be very pleased with it.
Artie's very pleased.
Bye, Artie.
Hey kids, have a great day.
See you next time.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again on the Artie Show. Bye-bye for now. Bye.